If your garage door has torsion springs, you will have a setup similar to this above the top of your garage door when closed. There'll be a long metal shaft with a torsion spring connected to it, which is connected to a center plate. Now this center plate will either have a steel ball bearing center bearing, or you'll have a plastic bearing. The plastic bearing is pretty much useless. You definitely want to get a steel ball bearing one that actually spins and moves the shaft much smoother. When your spring gets replaced by Garage Gadgetry, you automatically get a brand new steel ball bearing center bearing. You will find these cheaper, less useful plastic bearings on cheaper doors. Make sure that when you get your garage door springs replaced, either use Garage Gadgetry to get the top quality parts, or you may get plastic.